Hey, what's up, folks? It's Mike here from Netter Gold, and I've come to realize a lot of you all don't know how to pick your hair properly. So I'm going to do a quick tutorial video of how to actually pick your hair and the issues you can be having if you're doing it incorrectly. So if you're into that, let's get that started. If you're not, then just go ahead and skip. Who cares? It's fine. Okay, so what I'm seeing with a lot of folks when it comes to picking out their hair is they got the pick, right? It's cool, good to go, beautiful piece of work here, but they're starting at the base and then trying to comb out, right? So what happens is it gets caught like this. You see that? It gets caught like this, and it's caught because it's kinked up, it's coiled up. And you trying to go from the bottom to the top isn't going to work, right? You can't start from the bottom and get it to here. It's not going to work this time around, okay? All you're going to do is rip out from the roots your hair, all right? So what you got to do is you got to start with a piece at the end like this. So start with this piece, right? Now, you don't want to go with a dry comb. So this comb here, I'm going to dip with some olive oil and some Jamaican black castor oil. Nothing crazy, right? This is an untreated comb I was using for one of my strength test videos. And yeah, so a little bit of oil to make it slip through easy, right? I'm going to start at the tip, right at the tip. Just start right at the tip and then work my way through it. See that? Easy. Easy like Sunday morning. Now if I go to another part, problem, okay? Dip a little bit right here. Start it at the ends, work my way out. There we go. There we go. Tight, right? Another thing you can do, as well as you can finger detangle. So you take your fingers, you get in there. Take your fingers, get in there to get rid of any tight knots. Boom. Boom.
Hits by Tino. Hits by Tino.
New levels, new devils. Some of them old got a new temple. Some of them cold like a smooth bevel. They only fair weather till you do better. Do better, do better. Every new choice is a new setup. Every new news is a fool's get up. We making new rules or we lose cheddar. I got the drip like a new sweater. Boston like Mick, I'm a new netter. Rhymes are legit, hieroglyphs that I spit. I will quit, it's been written, I'm made for this shit. But now I'm fed up. Been trying to be good, be a go-getter. Trying new things, get my toes wetter. Been breaking off curses with the cold sever. Found that I was jamming up my own lever. So what do? Cry over milk or a hole in my shoe. Lay down and die and just say that I'm through. Now it's my time, I got too much to prove. Prove to myself it ain't nothing about you. Stick to my rhymes like the gum on the shoe. I take my time cause I'm winding this booth. Only get better with life.
Now as you can see, this is my preferred method to do it. I like to go finger, comb, and I'm not even going all the way to the tip at this point. I'm just finger, comb, getting at the roots, and then I work my way out here at the tip. That's my preferred way. I like the finger comb, then comb, finger comb, then comb, finger comb, then comb, and repeat. Right, over here, dry. Dip it again, add a little bit more oil to it. Now, if I was using one of our oil-infused wooden combs, I wouldn't be having to do this dipping process here. But since I'm not, I'm going straight for it. Boom. Right? Now, right here, I'm massaging the roots, getting it in there. And now, it's tight. It's not coming out. Start here. Ooh, that's tight, too. Ooh, start here, you see that? So that's super knotted, not going anywhere. Even at the tip, not going anywhere. So I'll put my fingers there, boom, break that up a little bit. Come back to it, found it again, fingers in, remove the comb, get in there, break it apart. Do it again, boom, still in there, fingers in, break it apart. And now, we're getting to the root of the problem here. Well, not the root of the problem, but see, right here, this is a knot, straight knot. Now, boom, there we go. Easier, way easy. Problematic, okay? So if you're going to comb your hair, if you're going to pick out your hair, you got to do it properly because if not, you're going to be yanking all your hair out and you're going to end up with bald spots. You don't want that, okay? So if you have any questions, comments, or concerns about ways to take care of your hair, let me know and I'll answer them in the video form, okay? Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and next video. See ya.